Alright, hello again. It's me, Derek, just kind of giving an update video 2 of my progress on my first Android application made with Java. Last video I showed that, the start of the project. There's a lot of things missing from it that weren't working, so just wanted to kind of show where I am right now. Go and launch it on there. I did finally fix it so that if the player does not opt to actually enter in the names of the players, it will actually now default to just player 1, player 2. Of course, the functionality is still there to enter the player names, and also I did go ahead and make sure that you can now choose whether to enable or disable poison counters, and that will of course get you the poison counter buttons and the poison counter icons. I also did go about changing it so that if it went to less than a double-digit number, it will no longer kind of move everything over to the left. Fix that width on there, obviously an easy fix. The other thing that I got on here that I'm kind of happy to get on there is I did get it to a point where now if player 1 goes to 0 life points, of course that would get a win for player 2. Also, if player 1 reaches 10 poison counters, he will of course get a win. Biggest problem that I have right now, kind of haven't worked my mind around it, is that because I'm just setting to just check for either 0 or 10 on each of these, if I continue to hit, oh wait, maybe not, oh, okay, never mind. So that actually does work. That's good, because it was before that every time, I guess the original, conditional statements I was setting up, they were kind of annoying because when they would actually get to 0, if you continued hitting buttons, it would actually continue to give you wins. But I guess I didn't really test it out, and I just figured it wouldn't work. But yeah, so that's kind of good. So now it's just going to kind of log that one. Next step is going to, of course, I'm trying to decide if I want to make it so that you have to actually hit reset to reset the game back, but keep your wins at a certain point, or if I should actually just opt it so that as soon as it reaches 0, it resets everything. But kind of makes me wonder if people would just want to kind of continue to look at the game score. And then obviously I do need to go ahead and beautify, make the application look a lot better than just white background. So pretty happy with it so far. Feel like I'm getting there. Just looking forward to really kind of just publishing this on the Android marketplace and seeing where it goes. So next video, of course, will just be showing it with its new backgrounds, maybe possible added functionality. Don't really plan on adding the functionality for more players in the very first version. Just going to stick with the 2 players right now. Feel that everything else will be just so complicated I have to go through and have it set that more players would have to shrink down everything, and it just seems like too much code. So that's where I am now. Thanks for watching.